Hello guys, are you like me who is facing this particular Elementor error that says, sorry, the content area was not found in your page? Are you having this particular error? If yes, then don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to give you a quick fix on how to solve this particular error. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. So you can see this is a particular page where I'm having the error. So let me just quickly refresh this particular page so that you see that yes, truly I'm actually having this error on this particular page, so that it won't look as if it is a screenshot. So let me just quickly refresh. So you can see it's reloading. So you can see the error is still there. So now I'm going to show you how to quickly fix this. Now what we are going to be doing, I'm going to head over to where I have it is actually one of my save template here. So you can see it was okay. It was, let me just all page all. Now this is the particular page I'm actually having this error. One way to quickly fix this is for you to go to, I'm going to quickly come to, and let me quickly make use of this. I'm going to come to my settings, then click on permalinks. I'm opening it on a new tab. I'm going to quickly just come and click on post name. Let me just click on post name, then and then click on save changes. So I'm going to just click on the save changes. Once I do that, I'm going to come over to where I have the error again. I'm going to reload this page and see if it's fixed the error. I'm still having the error here. So now I'm going to try the second method. So I'm actually just showing you all the methods I'm going to that way solve the issue for you. So I'm going to just open this, click on edit. I'm going to edit this. I'm opening it on a new tab. Then what I'm going to now do is so once I come here, I'm going to just click on publish. I'm going to click on publish. You see it has been published. So what I'm going to now do, let me close this other one that I've been trying to open. Let me close it and now click on this again. I'm going to open it here. Once I've done that, you can see the error is still here. In my case, I actually have two footer. I created two footer. One I actually use a different plugin, and also I'm trying to create it again using Elementor. So probably most of the time, whenever you try the first two methods, it's going to actually solve this issue for you. Because now I'm also going to try one more method now to show you. But for the meantime, let me just show you where I actually have this two. As I said, I have two footer. One using, you can see I'm trying to create another footer. This one is from Elementor templates. That's where I'm trying to create this. And also I have another one actually footer I created here. So what I'm going to quickly do, because I'm going to click on, you can see I'm going to change the slug of this particular footer. So let me just say footer 1. Let me just name it as this. Then I'm going to click on quickly update. Now I'm going to do that to come to this other one and check how is it. There's no slug on it. Let me just name this main site footer. Then update. This is for this. Now after doing this, let me check if this has actually solved the issue. So let me now close this where I have it open there. So let me just close it and reopen it here again on a new tab. Let's see if this way has actually solved the issue, because sometimes when there are two of them are having the same name, it tends to throw all those errors and not allow you to edit one of them, the other second one you actually created. So that's one of most of the things you actually need to check, if there's another page that is actually having the same name as that. So from what I just did now, you discover that it's still the same thing. So now I'm going to now quickly just go ahead now and check the final aspect I'm going to check. I'm going to check my plugins. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select my plugins. I'm going to deactivate all of them and see. By the time I deactivate, I'll only activate. Now I'm going to activate back my Elementor. I'll activate back my Elementor and Elementor Pro. So once I activate both of them, I'm going to finally check if it's going to fix the error for me. So let me just reload this and see. So you can see it's actually working. You can see after doing that, checking and uninstalling after uninstalling my audio plugins, after uninstalling them and deactivating them and activating just the Elementor, they are all working. Now let me activate the rest of the plugins and see. I'm going to activate the rest of the plugins and see if it was as a result of any of the plugins, although most of the time probably it was just. Now let me refresh this particular page again. So I'm actually showing you all this so that, because one of them we actually should solve the issue for you. So sometimes if you try the permalinks and it doesn't work out, you can see it's giving me this error again. Definitely one of my plugin I installed is actually conflicting with what I actually did. So let me quickly see which of the plugins is giving me this error. So but I think I suspecting a particular one that should be giving this particular error, which is Elements Kit. Let me deactivate Elements Kit and see. Now let me reload this page. You can see that it's now working. So possibly from what I just did now, you can see I'm actually having this particular error because I have my footer created somewhere using Elements Kit, and I'm trying to create another footer with this. That is why it's giving me this particular error for this particular. So you can check your own. There you might be having these pages either having the same slug, that's the same permalinks and all those stuff. So you need to see how to change, ensure that you check all this stuff. So now what I'm going to now do, I'm going to activate back the Elements Kits. Now I'm going to now do something. Now I'll activate back the Elements Kits, then I'll go to where I have the header and footer, then my footers. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to trash the footer I have here. Let me trash this particular footer. You can see I've trashed this footer. So now I'm now going to reload this page and see if it's going to open for me the same way it opened now. So remember, I've already activated my Elements Kit again. So let's just see. So you can see that it's now working. So the error was actually coming from my Elements Kits, where I already had a footer there, and now I'm also trying to create another footer. So it's more or less like I'm trying to, so as not for it to break my site code. So I have to make sure I can't have two footers at this same time on, especially the footer is actually working on. How I wish the footer is working only on a specific page, then I can have multiple footers for it. But since I'm only having I already set the first footer to actually work for all the entire page. I can't create on that footer again, especially using another plugin. So it might be causing conflict. That's why the other one refuses to open. So now you are going to check on your own site. Now you might be having similar issue with what I'm having. Just check your site. You might be having others, maybe two this having the same name, and you're trying to open the other one. See, it might have this throw an error like this. But this is possibly how most of the things you need to check when you are encountering this particular type of error. So I believe you might have learned from this particular tutorial. If you're still watching this particular video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video or each time I upload content like this. So until next time, bye for now.